One eternity later.
Emerson! Today's Friday, May 29th, 2026. I'm Alexandra, as you know.
And I'm Zach.
This is the last WEMS episode of the school year. You won't hear my good morning, Emerson, ever again.
Oh, I'm very happy to hear that.
What?
Yesterday, our 8th graders were promoted. It definitely feels a little strange without them in the building already.
As 7th graders, I guess that officially makes us the upperclassmen now.
Yeah. We're the oldest students in the school next year. Time to set a great example for the incoming 6th graders.
And speaking of the end of the year, 6th and 7th graders, our last day of school is Thursday, June 4th.
That means we have less than a week to go.
Finish strong, Emerson.
Together, we are Emerson.
Have an amazing summer, everyone.
Students, please rise for the pledge.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Students, please sit for 15 seconds of silence.
Attention Eagles, we have some big news.
Over the course of the school year, Emerson's Kiva Club raised over $350 through snacks.
Thank you to everyone who bought snacks. It really made a difference.
The money raised is going to Kip Carowe and Wilfred and Kenya to help buy fertilizer and seeds for their farms.
Thanks again, everyone.
Kiva will be back again next year.
Thank you.
Okay, we're here with
Laura.
And what's your favorite core class and why?
I'd say my favorite core class is math because I really like my teacher and it's just easy for me to comprehend all the material.
Okay, thank you.
Here with
Addison.
And what's your favorite core class and why?
My favorite core class is LA because I love the teacher and I find the topics really interesting.
So who are we here with today?
Reese.
And what's your favorite core class and why?
Okay, so probably social studies. Because we don't get a lot of homework in that class, and I like the teacher. And yeah.
Okay, we're here with
Allison.
What's your favorite core class and why?
Probably social studies because of the teacher.
Thank you.
Today I'm here with
Camilla.
And what's your favorite core class?
My favorite core class is social studies.
And why?
I like all the different videos we watch.
Okay, we're here with
Julia.
And what's your favorite core class and why?
I like social studies because I have a lot of friends in that class.
All right, thank you.
Hi, who am I here with?
Tommy.
And what's your favorite core class and why?
My favorite core class is science because we get to do lots of experiments.
Okay, we're here with
Layla.
What's your favorite core class and why?
My favorite core class is either social studies or LA because we're learning about the Holocaust right now.
Thank you.
Out of 321 responses over 3 grades, the overall favorite was science, with 105 people saying that it was their favorite class. However, math was closely behind with 101 students. Social studies was the most consistent ranking out of all the classes, and unfortunately, ELA came in last, with 135 students saying that it was their least favorite class. The reason why so many people love their class was because of the teacher, the content, and their friends in that specific class.
This year we have a few amazing teachers leaving us.
Mrs. Damanides, Senor Zaski, and Mr. Shalky.
Mrs. Prokos and Miss Donato are also retiring.
If you see them in the halls, make sure to show how much you appreciate them.
The May book in a jar was
The Bone series by Jeff Smith.
Congratulations to our winners.
Look for a new book in the jar in the fall.
Eagles, make sure to give our student teachers
and substitute teachers a good old Emerson goodbye.
We will miss you.
Today is the last day of the 4 p.m. activity bus.
If you enjoyed staying at clubs or intramurals,
make sure to let that club supervisor know.
See you next year, Eagles.
Together!